How to turn on dark mode on Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. By default, set the light mode on your device. To activate dark mode, tap on a display on your Samsung device. At the top, you can see the light mode and dark mode option. Tap on a dark to set the dark mode. Now you can see change your screen background as a black. Tap on a dark mode setting to automatically activate dark mode on your Samsung device. Now toggle on turn on as a schedule. Here you can see two options, sunset to sunrise and custom schedule. To set sunset to sunrise, make sure turn on location on your device. Now choose the custom schedule. Here you can set a schedule. Dark mode will be automatically turn on at specific time. Tap on it. Enter the start time and end time. Tap on a done to set schedule and automatically turn on dark mode on your device. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it. You can also quickly access it by swipe down the notification panel twice and you can see the dark mode option. Tap on it to enable dark mode on your device and tap on it again to turn off the dark mode. That's it. If you like it, share it.